Welcome back, everybody. Got the CX out here on the jack. I have fixed the leak for the fuel inlet. These little O-rings that go, into the carburetors from the fuel hose line, whatever you want to call it, the inlet, were very old and dry rotted and were not sealing even a little bit. So, took the rack apart and put some new O-rings in there. Now I can dump fuel in there and nothing happens. Well, fuel goes in, but it doesn't come back out. But anyway, I have put my starter button and throttle cable on here. Got it snappy and ready for action. So I'm gonna set the camera up over here and we're gonna see if we can get this puppy to fire up and run on fuel. All right, here we go. Here we go. I did check to make sure that the battery was charged. Oops. Alright, switch is on. Kill switch is in run position. There is fuel in the carbs. I don't have a choke cable, so I'm going to have to hold this close. And let's see what happens. Holy moly. That was basically instant. Wowee. It's obviously very loud. There's no mufflers on it. But it runs. Holy crap, dude. Turn the idle up a little bit. See if it'll idle. Hot diggity dog. That's another running bike. Good job, me. So, yeah. My makeshift fuel supply leaks a little bit. So there's a little trickle of gas coming down and leaking off of it, but you know, that's not the bike's fault. I did a bench sync on the carbs. They seem fine. I obviously haven't let it run long enough for it to really get hot yet, but there's no visible signs of leaks anywhere. I also don't have any coolant in it right now because I haven't gone to get any silicate-free coolant yet. So, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get that hooked up. Oh, I should get the multimeter out and see if it's charging. Alright, here we go. Multimeter reading 12.1 battery voltage. Let's fire it back up. Nice. All right, that is definitely a huge success, big win for the day. I have got the bike running. It doesn't even smoke. Like, it's just friggin' good. I would call that a complete success for the day, and we're gonna go make dinner and chill. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye.